Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Places, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, y'all, on today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to place this LED switch in this Stinger light I have. About a week ago, my light wouldn't work. I charged my batteries, it still wouldn't work. So I went ahead and placed my switch, and the light still wouldn't work, y'all, after I placed my switch. And what I did then, I went back to my batteries and cleaned the ends of each each of these batteries and recharged them, and then put it back in my light. The light works. So that's just a little tip for y'all. This switch I put in probably didn't need to be replaced, but it's mainly just this battery was the problem right here. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how to do this in case your switch does go bad. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my battery out. Another thing I want to mention, y'all, the battery, the ends of them didn't even look corroded or didn't even look dirty, but they wouldn't take a charge. So just keep that in mind. That may look good, but just keep that in mind that just clean them before you go and buy a new switch for it. But anyway, the next thing we're going to do here, we're going to take this top part off. Okay, now you can see right in here you have this retainer ring right here, and you can take your pair of snap ring pliers. Got a hole on each side right here that the snap ring pliers will fit in, just like that right there. Give it a little twist and they'll break it loose. We're just going to spin this off here. Now if you don't have snap ring pliers, you might be able to take a small pair of like a needle nose pliers. That would probably work if if you could get them opened up wide enough. And you're gonna take this on off. Okay, there's what that little ring looks like. Okay, y'all, next thing here, we got these two screws right here. We're going to take these out. This is where you charge your flashlight. And this kit I bought, it came with this new plastic piece and the two screws. So now, next thing, you just take your battery or something and push this piece out. Just like that. This is also going to come with that kit. That's going to be your new switch. All right. Now, I'm just going to pop that button out right there. This little rubber button also comes new in the kit. Also, you'll have this little plastic ring right here. I'll show you. Here's the old one right there. That'll come with it, and I've already installed it. You just basically pull it off and install it back on top of this. So we're going to go ahead and put it back together. And mind you that all the parts I've just taken loose is the new parts. But I just want to show y'all the how quick and simple it is to replace that switch in case you have to. So on this little rubber cover right here, the side right here, one side's got a little lip on it. So this little lip right here is going to install like that. I'm putting the lip down and it goes in first. You're just going to just take that, push that in with your finger. Make sure it goes in there straight. Another thing I did while I had this loose the first time, I cleaned all this out real good. It wasn't really dirty, but I went ahead and cleaned it real good just in case. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead, put a new switch back in it, and there's your button right here on top. You're just going to line it right up. Go ahead and push that in, and it seats in there. And when you flip it over, you see the two holes where you're going to put your screws back in. So this piece here, just put that back on just the way it came off, with your narrow triangular part going back toward the end, toward the battery. Put these screws in. Take your screwdriver. Get these started. Y'all, this is just a real quick, easy process. It does not take long. And I think I've had this flashlight probably maybe 6 years. And I thought it was strange that the switch or light assembly would go out in that amount of time. But anyway, y'all got a new setup now. So now, what we're going to do is right here in the end here, we'll make sure it's got, let me show you right here on this old piece, which I'm going to keep this because I know now this is still good. You have a couple little, right there, I don't know if you see it, raised little pins. This little piece right here will lock in just like this. It's going to have two little pins that you're going to lock it in place with. So now we're going to go ahead and install our lock ring right here. Like I say, this little white ring right here, it just slips back on over the top of this. It's got a little notch it sets down in. You can see right there, you see that little round peg sticking out on it. Ready to install this lock ring. We're just going to take our lock ring pliers, insert it in the two little holes there, get that ring started. And y'all, it sounds like it's squeaking because it is squeaking. But don't put no grease, anything on it. Don't need nothing on it. And before I tighten it all the way down, just be sure that the white ring, everything is centered, and it is. And I'm just going to finish tightening it down, and when it bottoms out, just give it a little snug. That's all you gotta do. You don't want to over tighten that. Now you're ready to put this back on, and I just cleaned around my threads here before, and it does have an O-ring around that. Just tighten that back up. Now we're ready to install our battery. Alright, let's see if it works, y'all. There you go, y'all. That's how quick and easy it is to replace that LED switch if you got a Stinger flashlight. And this part number right here is 75798. I'll just kind of show you there. I don't know if you can see it. I ordered this off Amazon, but that kit comes with this piece here, your switch. It comes with a new button. It also comes with your like piggyback plastic deal where you charge it, and the new screws. So that's what you get in the kit. So y'all, hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Hope it might help some of you. Got to replace your switch here. And just remember, y'all, check your batteries. Be sure that they're being charged, because they do get a little dirty or corroded on the ends. Even though mine didn't show no kind of corrosion, but it was apparently just a little bit dirty there somehow. But I just scratched it all up there, and it started working again, charged my batteries up. So keep that in mind. Hope y'all enjoyed the video today. And as always, friends, from my family to yours, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.